Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about right responsibility and a safer workplace. By the way, my name is Muhammad Nashif bin Muhammad Anwar Musadat. I'm from class DLS 1A and from KKTM Kemaman. Okay, this is an accident that happened in Malaysia in 2019. Pekerja kilang maut terjatuh, Seri Manjung. Seorang pekerja kilang kelapa sawit di Pantai Rimis maut dipercayai terjatuh dari ketinggian kira-kira 6 meter ketika melakukan kerja penyelenggaraan di bahagian luar dinding dandang steam di premis terbabit. Dalam kejadian kira-kira jam 10.30 pagi, lelaki warga tempatan Viravidran 28 dikatakan sedang berdiri di atas paip steam untuk menjalankan kerja pengukuran di bahagian luar dinding dandang sebelum mangsa tergelincir lalu terjatuh ke lantai. Pengarah Jabatan Keselamatan dan Kesihatan Pekerjaan JKKP Perak, Zamzuddin Ma'ruf, berkata mangsa yang parah di bahagian kepala dikejarkan ke klinik kesihatan Cangkat Kruing di sini, namun disahkan meninggal dunia. Mayat mangsa kemudian dihantar ke Hospital Seri Manjung untuk bedah siasat. Berikutan itu, JKKP Perak mengarahkan sepasukan pegawai untuk menjalankan siasatan berhubung kejadian berkenaan. Next is responsibility as employer have in keeping a safe workplace. Inform workers about chemical hazard through training, label alarm, color code system and chemical information sheet and other method. Provide safety training to workers in language and vocabulary they can understand. Keep accurate record of work-related injuries and illness. Perform tests in the workplace, such as air sampling, required by some OSHA standard. Provide required personal protective equipment at no cost to workers. Provide hearing exam or other medical tests required by OSHA standard. Post OSHA citation and injury and illness data where workers can see them. Next is responsibility as the worker in keeping himself or herself safe at work. Working conditions that do not pose a risk of serious harm. File a confidential complaint with OSHA to have their workplace inspected. Receive information and training about hazard, method to prevent harm, and the OSHA standard that apply to their workplace. The training must be done in a language and vocabulary workers can understand. Receive copy of record of work-related injuries and illness that occur in their workplace. Receive copy of the result from tests and monitoring done to find a major hazard in their workplace. Receive copy of their workplace medical record. Participate in OSHA inspection and speak in private with the inspector. Next is related regulation or act to avoid this case. Ensure employers can get safe access to where they work at height. Ensure equipment is suitable, stable and strong enough for the job. Maintain and check by regularly. Make sure no overloading or overreaching when work at height. Take precaution when work takes place near or on fragile surface. Provide protection from falling object. Consider producer during emergency evacuation and rescue. And lastly, employer and employers' right due to Occupational Safety and Health Act and Regulation. Provide a workplace free from serious and recognized hazard and comply with standard rules and regulation issued under the OSHA Act. Examine workplace condition to make sure they conform to applicable OSHA standard. Make sure employers have and use safe tool and equipment and properly maintain this equipment. Use color code poster, label, or sign to warn employers of potential hazard. Establish or update operating producer and communicate them so that employer follow safety and health requirement. Employer must provide safety training in a language and vocabulary workers can understand. Okay, that's all for me, and thank you.